Do you know this YouTube studio is actually fake, but I'm loving it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a fake realistic YouTube studio using just your smartphone. It doesn't matter the kind of smartphone in which you use, you can actually create a fake YouTube studio. I know a lot of people want to get the best equipment to make their YouTube videos, but unfortunately the finance to buy these equipment are actually not there. This video will help you achieve your goal without spending a whole lot of money in getting those expensive equipments for your YouTube videos. So without further ado, let's dive into the topic of today's discussion. Creating this fake realistic YouTube studio is actually very simple, and all you need is just 3 different things to be able to make it a reality. First, you need to record yourself with your mobile phone, either while using your green screen or your plain background. The main reason why you need to record yourself is you need to be able to get the footage in which you need for creating the video in which you want to create. So the next thing which you need to get a background image, and there are actually 2 ways in which you can get your background image. First is go to Play Store, download and install this app called Bing. After creating an account, you come to apps. This is where you're going to generate the AI image which you need. Then the next thing you have to do is to come to image creator. Once you click it, then you type these keywords: generate a realistic background image or photo studio. It all depends on how you want to put it, and this app is going to generate. Then the next thing you have to do, you click on create. These are the images that has been created for our background image or photo studio. Another way of getting a fake image for your YouTube studio is this: you go to Google, then you type YouTube tech content or YouTube studio background or image. No matter what you type, Google is going to search for some studio images that is available on Google. Then all you need to do is to download these images, and you can see these are the images that we've been able to see on Google. Then I'm going to download every one of them. The next thing which we want to do is to edit your videos, which is where we're going to insert the downloaded image. We need to edit the videos using CapCut or any other editing software in which you know. So you create new project, download the image, your footage in which was recorded, then this is the footage in which we're going to be using. The next thing we have to do is that we also have to import the image in which we're going to use as a background. But before doing that, we need to come to this place, select the image and come to transform. We come to crop. At the crop, we're going to adjust the image. You can see this place, then we reduce it so that it can match with the green screen. The next thing we have to do is this. You can see this how the image look like this. The angles are well there, but we still need to cut out the unnecessary parts. Then we have to come to this place, remove background, then auto removal, which is where we're going to remove the green screen. Once you click on it, it's going to remove the background, and you can see the background is empty now. So we have only our image on the screen. So the next thing we have to do is that we now need to import the image in which we're going to use as a background. So we're going to be using this studio as our image background. So we import it, and you can see these are how the 2 images look like. And if there's any no adjustment, so what we have to do is that we have to come to video effects, then come to blur. We don't need to make the background to look very sharp. We have to blur it. There's an effect called blur effect, which I'm going to show you. It is under the video effect. So once you click on the blur, you can be able to adjust the amount of intensity in which you want it to adjust. So in order to save time, we just come to this search, then click on blur. You see the effects, then we select this particular one, then we adjust the intensity of the blurred image on how we want it to look. After adjusting to our desired choice, then the next thing you have to do, you click on OK to show that you are okay with the effect. Then you adjust the effect. You can see how it looks now. So the next thing which we're going to do is that this other image, which is our first choice image, then we select the image and come to the down. At the down, you are going to see what we call overlay. and which is this particular one. So we click on it, it brings the image down, then we adjust it to where we want to put it. You can see how it looks like now. So it's like the first image is now the background, while the second one, that's the main character imaging which we're going to use. And you can see the background is not calling for attention because we blurred the background. So this is how it looks like. So we're going to do the necessary adjustments, and this is the end result of what we've done. Do you know this YouTube studio is actually fake? Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more. You can also follow me on other social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok.